Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies. We have Six of Earth, Ace of Water, Transformation, and we pick two cards for your career. So I'll open one card here, guys. Two of Air. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing a lot of changes today, guys. Maybe something may be good, but something may be sad for some of you. So a lot of changes, and these changes are changing you emotionally and spiritually today. So maybe sometimes you may feel sad for the way things are going in your life. You cannot hold on to your views or ideas or expectations. Nothing is working today, you may feel. So a lot of changes maybe in your physical world, in your work situation or in your relationship, or maybe in your emotional self. You see huge changes happening and you are transforming, changing. But though these circumstances may worry you, may make you feel so small, make you feel so helpless, you need to understand that these changes are necessary to give way or make way for something much more better to come in your life, guys. So you need to understand that. That is the only reason these changes are happening in your circumstances. So there are a lot of positive things waiting to unfold for you, guys, Pisces. So these inevitable changes are moving away something. Maybe in your work you may see some projects getting delayed or suspended. Instead of that, something better, some better opportunities is going to knock you, guys. Even in your relationship, maybe you were arguing with this person, you had a lot of difficulties, you would have been in many fights or arguments, whatever it was. Maybe this person is thinking within themselves and even you are thinking within yourself. So what needs to be done? What is the next step? Maybe these arguments are just bringing out the truth, what is there in both your hearts. So you know their secrets, they know your secrets. So you are seeing clarity today, guys, and a better understanding with this person. You know what is the truth behind their words and what is the reason for them speaking in such a way. So a lot of clarity is what you are getting. And this is going to open, this circumstance is going to open that opportunity for a better relationship, guys. Maybe even if you are away from each other, even if you are not talking to each other right now, your situation is going to change very soon, guys. And maybe you are just thinking what will be the future or what will happen. No matter what you are thinking right now, maybe some confusion or doubts, whatever it is, what you have between you both is true love, guys, and it is unconditional love you have, and that is going to bring you both together, Pisces. So you have a beautiful understanding, you have that understanding flowering in your relationship, and when something good comes up, there is a lot of it takes in a lot of energy, lot of struggles. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Seven of Water. So you may have a lot of fantasies or dreams, but you need to have that trust. Just dreaming is not enough, but believing in your dreams, believing in your fantasies to come into reality, that is what is going to make it work, guys. So if you are really open to some changes in this connection, feeling really free, feeling really open minded with this person you love, you are going to see great changes in your relationship, and things are going to go in a very positive way for you all, guys, Pisces. So changes and positive transformation is what I see with these cards, Pisces. So for your career situation, we have Nine of Earth. So in your work situation, things are aligning for you. You are going to see better opportunities coming your way, and you're going to be really happy and content for the way things are going. And you have a perfect plan for your future, and if you can hold on, believe in those dreams, you will succeed, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch Deepika card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened, And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today, maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.